Rise Credit is an online lender that offers personal loans to borrowers who have difficulty obtaining credit from traditional sources. They market their loans as a way of helping customers manage unexpected expenses and build credit. However, it is crucial to understand the costs and the potential risks associated with a Rise personal loan. Rise Credit offers personal loans ranging from $500 to $5,000, with terms ranging from 7 to 36 months, depending on the state in which you live. The APRs for these loans are extremely high, ranging from 60% all the way up to 299%. These rates are significantly higher than those offered by credit cards and personal loans from banks and credit unions. One positive aspect of Rise is that they don't charge application fees, origination fees, or prepayment penalties. Rise does offer a 7-day grace period after a payment's due date before they start to charge a late fee. For borrowers who might struggle with a payment, they offer payment extensions and deferments, but you must call their customer support line before the due date to be eligible. You do need to know that deferments and extensions will not stop the accumulation of interest. Rise charges interest on a daily basis, so getting behind on your payments can result in payments that are mostly interest. One thing that blindsides some customers is that Rise personal loan payments occur twice a month on your paydays. Some applicants are surprised when they fail to look closely and they think that the payment is a monthly payment. When you receive your loan offer, you will see the details. You should pay particular attention to whether the payments are monthly, bi-monthly, or bi-weekly. Usually that will depend on your pay schedule and not necessarily by your choice. Rise Credit is a subsidiary of Elevate, a fintech company that provides online credit solutions to non-prime consumers. Elevate was founded in 2014 and is headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas. Elevate had been a publicly traded company, but in 2023 they were bought by private equity. Elevate markets and manages loans under the Rise Credit brand, but the actual loans are issued by FinWise Bank and Capital Community Bank. Both are Utah chartered banks. Rise Credit lends to people with poor or fair credit. The average credit score for people approved for a Rise loan is probably around 580. This means that you could be approved if your score is as low as 550 or even lower, and you have a good chance of being approved if your score is as high as 630. If your score is in the mid 600s, there is a good chance that you could be approved by another lender for a lower cost personal loan, and so you should definitely shop around. More on a good way of doing that below. Applying for a Rise Credit loan is done online, and the process is relatively quick. To qualify, you must have a valid checking account, email address, and a source of income. Filling out the application could take as little as 5 minutes, depending on whether you have the necessary information handy. After submitting the application, most applicants will receive a credit decision within a minute. If approved, you could see your money the next business day if you accept the offer before 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Rise Credit offers several features designed to help people who have damaged, poor, or fair credit. I think this shows that they are interested in playing a positive role in people's financial lives. Rise Credit mentions on their website that this is an expensive form of credit, and indeed it is. I do think that Rise wants to do well by its customers, but you should still only use them for emergencies. Even then, I would recommend that you make a plan to pay off the loan within 8 or 9 months. Do your best to make extra payments in the first couple of months. This will save you a lot of interest over the life of the loan. But before you accept that Rise loan, you owe it to yourself to shop around. If you have fair, poor, or no credit score, you are especially vulnerable to expensive loans. This is because lending to people with credit scores under 620 can be challenging. So companies develop unique underwriting algorithms. That means you should always apply to a handful of lenders before you accept an offer. You owe it to yourself to get the best deal you can. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you go to our marketplace page, you can apply to one of our premium lenders. Behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 lenders. Our partners do a soft credit check first, so applying will not hurt your credit score. You will receive all of the offers so that you can pick the one that's best for you. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.